wanting to import from Thailand. What's the update on that?
So Shivani, first of all, this oxygen crisis is happening in the whole country, and the way the
Sarangi, once again, you've just heard what the political representatives are doing. Now, where does the citizen go in this? We supposedly have oxygen concentrators, but why are they not being used to save lives?
Shivani, this is a very difficult situation citizens of Delhi facing today, and across the country also. It's a very difficult situation. In our lifetime, we have not seen, like I've been in Delhi government for more than 35 years, starting from the SDM days. I've never seen a situation like this, where the calamity was to be addressed in such a manner. But now the question is, we should keep everything pending regarding who has done wrong, who has not done wrong, and we should be talking about how to go about. Now, my simple question to all the panelists or you would be, why should a doctor be running around in a small hospital to get oxygen cylinder for his small hospital? There are small hospitals who manage with only their bigger oxygen cylinders. And there are bigger hospitals in Delhi, private hospitals or even the government hospitals, where they have storage facilities. Now the question is, they have been saying in social media, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours of oxygen. And the kind of panicky situation is being created for the attendants and the family members of the patients. What kind of psych is becoming more of a mental health issue for people who are attending them? Now, are we not accountable, any one of us in the governance, to ensure that there is real-time availability of oxygen in A place or B place or C place? If some hospital needs n number of empty of oxygen, then in that case, they should be given a notice of 2 days. Look, within 2 days, you got to replenish it. Now, whatever is coming to Delhi, whether we are in a position to distribute it properly, is there any network which is notified? And if you call somebody, like a control room or whatever, you go and get it from there.
No, there is a problem. I agree with you, and clearly I began the show by saying that everybody is accepting the mechanism is not working. Refillers are complaining, oxygen suppliers are complaining, hospitals are complaining, Delhi government is complaining, central government is complaining, citizens are complaining. And this is unlike what Reena would like us to be. Sorry, this situation is not existing everywhere else in the country. It is particularly happening only in the national capital. And now water, as the court said, is above our heads because we've been dealing with this for 2 weeks. I don't think court hearings solve everything. Reena, you mustn't depend only on what the court is saying and then sit back and say, Bhaiya, court ne bol diya center government ko. The court orders are not going to magically produce cylinders or cryogenic tankers. Please work together. I will give the last statement also to the doctor on the panel. On why it is crucial that politics be kept aside and people just get on with their job.
Absolutely mandatory. If we have to save lives, we have to forget the differences between us.